Hey everybody, Icemanfiveoh here. So today's the first day I'm going to try to go back to work. I'm walking alright. I still can't walk on the heel of my foot, but I think we'll be alright. I got my I got my cane through my back behind me, and I got my knee brace on. We're going to take the scooter. That way I don't have to worry about it too much. Still not 100%, but you know, we're pretty good. So, and I can't ride with the boot on. I can't drive legally with the boot on. So, but yeah, let's get this kickstand up. There we go. There we go. Not like the display matters anyways. There's the Pro Taper bars on Trevor's Navi. They look pretty good. We're thinking we're gonna have to get maybe some bigger bar risers. It's a little low for them, but so let's get going here. All right. Mirrors are ass. Yeah, Trevor still has to drop the DC wiring upgrade we did on the Navi. That worked pretty good. Yeah, we're also thinking that the bar riser might have got bent on the bike instead of the handlebars. It's hard to tell, but we were able to kind of bend it back. I was standing at the front and he was torquing on them, so it definitely seemed to help. But yeah, so yeah, we got a full tank of gas because I filled this up the other day. So, but let's see what else. Started working on my friend's Game Boy. If you guys haven't seen that, I put that video out a little while ago, a couple days ago. That was fun, you know. Plus, I know it's gonna work. You know, we gotta do the second part, which is clean up. You know, we just gotta clean the shell up and everything, and that'll be ready to go. So, but yeah, I'm gonna try to prevent putting my foot down as much as possible. So, but yeah, it's been more than 2 weeks. I think 2 weeks when the accident happened was not last Thursday. It's like the Thursday before that or something. So we're already past 2 weeks. So, but I gotta get out of the house. I don't like working from home. It's almost more trouble than it's worth. I prefer to just go to a physical location, you know. So I'm not going to be doing a ton of running around or anything, you know. I mean, I spend most of my time in my office anyway, so. But yeah, people are going to have to come see me. I'm not walking all over God's creation. So it's a little chilly this morning. But yeah, and then yeah, we were shooting this video for the handlebar install yesterday, and I got this nice wireless lav mic. But like, if you start and stop your recordings, you could run into the chance where the lapel mic, you know, turns off. And that happened with a bunch of that video yesterday. Is, you know, I didn't realize it. We took some breaks, and you know, I think they're good for like one and done videos where, you know, I'm you know, one shot, one take, or, you know, I'm not turning the phone off, or I'm not stopping recording. But I don't think I would use it again outside if it was something that was going to take a while, because when it shut off, when it shut off, then I didn't know it, and so, you know, we're recording and you can't hear anything. So that's why I said I'm gonna have to do some voiceovers. It was a pretty good video. So oh wow, I didn't get the green. So that sucks. But yeah, I like the 110 bars. They're just a little lower than the XR50s, but like I said, we'll sort that out. There we go. Come on. All right, there we go. So sun's getting up earlier and earlier, you know. It's nice to be back on two wheels. I spent most of I spent most of yesterday, you know, trying not to spend too much time on the foot, but, you know, we sat around and, you know, installed those handlebars, and so, god damn it. I'm gonna catch every light, aren't I? It's nice with the scooter. I can just leave my right foot up, and I can use my left. That's kind of what I figured. So, hope everybody's been doing well. You know, it's been pretty nice. You know, it hasn't been raining too much here. So, but yeah. What else? What else? We have a ton. Jesus, that sun is bright. You're definitely not seeing what's going on. Order's been doing pretty good. Oh, I'll add it to the end of this video. I'll take some pictures. My wife bought me some new some new colors of filament for Father's Day. They're I really like the matte PLAs. I did a guy asked me for a matte black, and we also did a matte carbon fiber. The filament is amazing. I have to show you guys this Game Boy holder that I made too. It's really awesome. You can barely see, you can't even really see the layer lines. It turned out really well, so I thought, why not? So she bought me like a couple of bluish colors, like a teal, a blue, and then something else. And I printed out the teal ones last night, and they look pretty awesome. Have to put them on the bike, but you know, it's funny. The normal material I use, the PLA Plus, is pretty tough. The stuff that she got me, it it must be something with, you know, the formulation. The matte colors aren't a PLA Plus, but there's the regular PLA. They're kind of softer, so it's nicer. The supports do come off easier and whatnot. But you know, I don't really think that durability would be a factor. You know, you put these things on, I don't think they would matter if they were a little softer, you know, because you're just going to put them on and leave them on. So, but yeah, look for that. I'll put it on Instagram too. I know somebody will like it. It's a really awesome color, like that hot pink. You know, it's a teal. It's like a light bluish green. It's pretty cool. Like I said, I'm gonna put them on the bike, and we'll take some photos. I'll put some up on this video too. So. excited to see everybody at work again. I don't know, it's weird. Working from home is not for me. Let's put it that way. Hey.
Got a different bike?
Huh?
Got a different one now?
No, this is my son's. I fell off his Navi 2 weeks ago. Fucked up my knee real bad. Yeah. What are you gonna do?
Yeah.
You push a button for it? I'll see you later. All right. Yeah, I like her. She's nice. And she's like, a new one? I'm like, yeah. I had this one for a while. She never seen me ride this thing. So. But anyways, yeah, so. Oh, and I had somebody reach out to me for some that gold silk. Remember? I don't know if you guys remember I did that. It turned out amazing. I did them for the horn plate covers, you know, the horn covers for like Rick over at Will Nate 35, and a bunch of other people. That gold silk is it's definitely, it shines in the light really awesome, you know. And he was like, oh, I got an SP, you know, you got a gold that it matches, and I'm like, actually I do. So I told the guy, I said, you know, he's like, well, you know, if I don't like them, then I might ask for some black ones. I told him, hey man, I'll just buy a set of the black ones and I'll throw in a set of the gold ones for you too. He's like, are you serious? I'm like, yeah, why not? You know, when it comes to stuff like that, if you're telling me that you're not sure if you're gonna like it, I'm gonna, you know, and then you're like, oh, I want, you know, I might get black, I'm just gonna send you both, you know. So but yeah. Oh man. Yeah, definitely didn't like being trapped at the house. Everybody watch your ass out there, you know. And if you're riding a Honda Navi, definitely check on those linked brake situation. And we need to disconnect it on his bike, and just be careful of bumps, you know. So I'm sure some of my coworkers would be surprised that I'm here. I only told like my bosses and a few other people that I was going to come back today. I mean, no guarantee, of course, but here I am. So oop. Nobody's here yet. It is Monday, right? So, all right. Oh, my knee likes to lock up now. So, oh yeah. Okay. All right, everybody. Well, we got the Chinese scooter for now. So, we'll see you on the next one. All right. Easy. Oh, snap. 5-0. Just pulled somebody over. They got him on Killer Kirk, man. That's not good.